Hello everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to convert a JPEG file into an SVG. It's pretty simple. Just need to get two programs really quick. We're going to download GIMP. And if GIMP doesn't show up in the market for POP, Ubuntu, any of that, simply pull up a terminal. Sudo apt install GIMP. Let it install. Since we're already here, we're going to do Inkscape also. It's in the market, but we'll just do this here. There we go. Those are the two programs we need. So we find our picture. It's my download folder. So I'm going to be working off this picture today. So we're going to go open up GIMP. Open my picture. If you need to, use the program to edit or use your favorite editor. Edit what you'd like. Make sure you save it as, make sure you export it as a JPEG, whatever format it's in. It's just easiest to work in that format. So I'm going to save this one over to my pictures and export. You want to make sure your quality is the highest it can be, and if you want to, you can make more changes, but I'm just going to save it like this. Export. Okay, so now we close that. Go to our pictures folder. Here is our picture. Nice and pretty. Okay, now we're going to open up Inkscape. And we're going to bring in that picture that we just did. I like to optimize for quality just so that everything looks as good as possible. Brings that in. See that if we zoom in, it's kind of nice. Bench in the background, it's kind of nice. So now what we're going to do is we're going to export this through the Save As command. Make sure it's plain SVG. There are other options. I'm going to save it as plain SVG just because it should be the most compatible one with other programs like Adobe and such. Okay. Name this SVG. Save that sucker. Now, see it? We got our SVG file here. What I want to do is I want to open this up from GIMP, kind of give you guys an idea. File, open. Pictures. GIMP. So you can say SVG file doesn't have a specific resolution. That's the great thing about them, is you can pick your own resolution. A 500px resolution, which is more like it's a little bit bigger than an icon. Looks really pretty, but when you zoom in, you can see that gets really blocky really quick. So, but if you get like one of these files, I mean, you can make this thing huge. 10,000 with a resolution of 6 whatever, which I think this maxes it out. Let's max that thing out. There we go, maxed out. Okay. What will this look like? Look at that. So you can see that. Zoom it out a little bit. Looks pretty. If you get this, you can already tell. I mean, there's lots and lots of little dots in there, and lines drawn, and whatever else is in a vector file. So, anyways, thanks for watching.